I saw my dad growing with me, and she gave supari.
Why can't you coexist with your partner?
फर्स्ट राउंड वाली क्या है? एक गंदा सा रूम के अंदर ऑडिशन दे रहे वो लोग.
How did your dad feel about this?
Okay, I got the reality. Okay, Mumbai is this.
Response, right?
What?
So rest in peace.
Yeah. In the middle, I had a lot of failures.
Why does it take something that drains you to lift you up again?
A lot of financial loss, mental loss.
Were your decisions or your choices being
So-
influenced by people around you?
पॉइंट जहाँ पे कोई ट्रस्ट नहीं करता, कोई बिलीव नहीं करता, कि बहुत रिजेक्शन हो गया, इसके लिए बना नहीं ये चीज़.
But what influenced your decision to write his name in the first place?
Bombay humbled. I was in a toxic relationship also after that.
Are you proud of the fact that you did what you did on the show?
When I am with someone, I'm hopelessly romantic.
So you basically took things in your own hand.
And nobody knows this, but I used to get fever panic attacks.
You define animation in your own personal way.
मैं तो बन गया भाई धोखे पे धोखे वाला सीजन का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर.
Are you ready to be called cringe? Let's go, Charlie,
Yes,
aka Vishal Paul. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
That's awesome. What brings you to Bombay?
What brings me to Bombay, should I say?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, so a lot of podcasts.
A lot of podcasts.
Yeah, but now this is the first podcast I'm wearing my hat.
Wonderful.
So-
What's the significance of your hat?
With my hat, I'm the artist. I'm not just a public figure or not just a contestant.
Wow.
I represent myself as an artist when I'm wearing my hat.
I'm so glad you were able to wear your hat today because I want to speak to the artist in you today.
Okay, let's go.
Go. So how has your journey been like since you're now back in Bombay for work? Like you mentioned, you're here for podcasts. I got fortunate enough to have you sitting in front of me on my
Fortunate, I
podcast
am
today.
fortunate enough that like I can talk like this, like like being free and all.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's not an interview. We
Yeah,
can have the
exactly,
conversation, and
exactly.
that's how I want it to be. But at the same time, I'm also going to bring out a lot of stuff
Yeah,
because
sure.
this is the unspoken, and we're going to go deep into your journey from the time you were a child.
Okay.
So let's begin there. Like, what were you as a child? What were the things that you did as a child?
So, I was born as an accident, first of all.
Okay.
Okay, and मेरे वजह से कहीं ना कहीं झगड़े खत्म हुए दो फैमिलीज के बीच.
Wow. That's a blessing. You don't call
Yeah.
that an accident. That's a blessing.
Yeah, so like my dad was a alpha that I'm like alpha crazy वाला alpha थे वो, and everybody knew it, like if he is gonna do something, he's gonna do something. And that time he liked mom, and मेरे जो नानू थे उन्होंने उनका ईगो हर्ट कर दिया ये बोल के कि यू डोंट कम एट माई प्लेस, सो ही लिटरली मैरिड मॉम.
That's insane. I mean, what a way to go about it.
And after that, like, they didn't talk to my mom for a very long time. But when I was born, my नानी छुप के वो कहाँ से घर ढूंढ के मुझसे मिलने आ गई when I was young. Nobody wanted to see me actually.
Nani's
My mama
favorite, I'm saying.
and all, nobody wanted to see me because at the end बहन चली गई घर से, कैसे कर सकती है ऐसा वैसा वाला. But what she did, once I was in my like I was not even 1 year old I think, as I am told from my नानी. तो उन्होंने ऐसा बोला है मुझे कि जब उन्होंने मुझे लेके मेरे नाना के साइड में रख दिया ऐसे करके, एंड शी वेंट ऑफ फ्रॉम देयर, एंड सडनली व्हेन शी कम्स बैक शी सीज दैट नाना इज प्लेइंग विथ मी.
Wow.
So after that, like everything started clearing out, and where I was born, I'll tell you, my dad, he didn't had his parents, so he didn't know how
To raise a child.
Yeah, exactly. A little bit, I was abused, I'll say. Not abused in the sense abused. Like, he wanted me to be a man, like,
Like an alpha, like himself.
yeah.
Yeah,
So,
I think it's a generation thing, you know.
Yeah.
Like nowadays kids kind of feel like they are being abused.
exactly.
But
But if you, I think so, you can relate to me in this, जब हमें बेल्ट पड़ती थी ना, हम
Absolutely.
लोग हंस के बाहर आके "है, बाप ने बेल्ट से मार दिया भाई."
हाँ.
नाउ यू से दैट, सो सर, माय पेरेंट्स आर फिजिकली अब्यूजिंग मी. What the hell, bro?
Ah, that's crazy,
What
man.
the hell,
I
bro?
remember getting hit as a child.
Yeah, and I don't regret that, because what I am now is because of that, I feel.
Absolutely, it's a form of love. I
Yeah.
think it's direction,
Yeah.
correction that your
Yeah.
parents feel for you, that they want you to have certain values and
Exactly.
And I think that not just your dad, everybody's dad has
Yeah.
that alpha male ego. That mar de yaar.
Yeah, but I'll tell you, it backfired me.
How?
Because there were a lot of times where like when I was small, I tried to argue and stuff. I was always said to छोटा है, शांत बैठना. तो वहाँ पे क्या हुआ, धीरे धीरे ना, I lost that confidence, and when I was in the school, I am born in a hood, like proper hood. So out there, you have to follow the hierarchy, and you have to make the hierarchy even as a kid. So when I was in class 3, I feel, I nowadays people call it bullying, but
Yeah.
that time we have to prove ourselves in fights also in the school. So I was a little bit weak, I'll say.
Okay.
So a lot of seniors used to beat me up.
What school was this?
I can't say the name of the school because I am very glad I was in that school. I'll not forget that. But yeah, for those days, I was very scared to even say it at home. How should I say it? My dad was like, "What the fuck is wrong with you? Like, how can you just मार
Absolutely.
खा के तू घर कैसे आ रहा है?" So I never used to say it, and I developed a habit of being scared. That I used to pray that मेरे टीचर्स ना जाने नहीं चाहिए, और वो बीच में जो टीचर निकलते और फिर टीचर आने का बीच में ज़्यादा गैप नहीं होना चाहिए.
Wow. So that fear set in like that.
Yeah,
kind of
because
like a phobia.
मेरे क्लास 3 में जो बच्चे थे, these people were like 5-6 years elder than me. Like 5-6 years elder than me, and I could see, that time when you didn't know that इसको bullying बोलते हैं.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Third grade, come on.
हाँ.
You don't even.
तो लाइक स्वेटर से ऐसे कर देना, सब आके मार के फिर घुमा
लाल
देना कि
बत्ती.
हाँ, लाल बत्ती. उस टाइम तो, अभी तो फनी लगता है सुनने को. सो व्हाट आई डिड, आई वाज लाइक, ब्रो, इट्स एनफ. I have a I was actually I started doing taekwondo when I was in class 1, and I was very true to the ethics. Whenever हर दिन सुबह को जब प्रार्थना होता था, उस टाइम में हम लोग को ये बोला जाता था, it's for self defense, never use it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Never use it like to satisfy your ego or be rude to people just because you know a fighting technique or something like that. And that time, I'll tell you, now I see that taekwondo is taught in a lot of academies.
Yeah.
There are closed academies and full guards and all. When I was trained in a graveyard.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
Trained in a graveyard?
Yeah.
And why would you train in a graveyard?
Because we didn't had an academy. Our sir was very crazy in what he's doing. Okay. Only part about that time was कि whenever we used to spar, we used to spar without guards.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah, we used to spar without guards. Along with that, our pads, now they have the synthetic pads and all. That time, instead of pads, like after our legs gets used to the pads, they used to introduce sticks.
Whoa.
Bamboo होता था ना, तो bamboo का ऐसा pads बनाते थे, ऐसे bamboo connected, and you have to hit that with the same intensity, because you get a habit of
Yeah.
putting it intensity of the kick, because वो बोलते थे hard मारने को,
Yeah,
और pad में hard जा सकते हो. अभी bamboo में क्या होता है, subconsciously you forget that that's bamboo,
Yeah.
and you hit hard. For the first week, it will be very hard for you. Second week, your legs will be like crushed.
Yeah, but you're also building that muscle,
Yeah,
that
like
strength in
no,
your
I'll tell you what was the goal. The goal was to have minute fractures in the bones, so that when they heal themselves, they become more stronger.
Wow.
So in class 5, I still remember I was in my belt exam. I just completed my green belt exam.
That's the second belt, right?
No, third.
Third. First is white,
White,
yellow.
yellow,
Green.
Then it comes to red. Red has 3 levels, and it's like Poonse and Dawn. Poonse are basically who complete their levels before 18, and Dawn are those who complete the levels after 18. So both have different levels. So Poonse is basically under 18, and
Okay.
Don means
Over 80.
over 18.
Okay.
So if you get your black belt before 18, you are known as Poonse Black.
Oh, nice. It sounds so cool, you know,
Yeah.
like sensei, like
Yeah.
a ninja.
And after 18, it's like Dawn Black.
Crazy.
So it's like that. So yeah, I still remember that I completed my belt exam, and that day, what happened? I got psyched. Okay, I got psyched. I was like, bro, I got the confidence. You know, like okay, now you know what? I'm not gonna like just be quiet for everything, whatever is happening to me, because if I see myself as a third person, I'm just suffering, and it's like बोलते हैं ना कि तुम बुरा कर रहे हो तो तुम बुरे हो, बट अगर तुम बुराई सह रहे हो तो तुम उससे भी बुरे हो.
Makes sense, absolutely. Because if somebody's doing something wrong to you and you're quiet about it, then yeah, you're absolutely wrong
So
because you're going to be bullied for the
yeah,
rest of your
exactly.
life.
So in the evening, I was just returning back to my house, and a bunch of guys, they made a circle and they kept me inside. And that day, I was not scared. I don't know why. I was like, you can't be scared. Today is the breaking point. If you get scared just because of this couple of people are like just surrounding you, then bro, you can't win in life. Like you'll be scared for your whole life.
These kids that surrounded you, these are from your neighborhood
Yeah.
or
So
school friends and stuff like that,
yeah,
or just neighborhood people from different.
so not just neighborhood, I'll say. द होल हुड इट्स बेसिकली एक कॉलोनी होता है वहाँ पे, जैसे यहाँ पे सोसाइटीज़ होते हैं, वहाँ पे शिलोंग में सोसाइटीज़ नहीं होते, सो इंडिविजुअल हाउसेज होते हैं. सो वेर आई केम फ्रॉम दैट एरिया इज बेसिकली नोन एज स्मोबा, बारह पत्थर. एंड वहाँ पे मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल लाइक मिक्सड रेसेस बहुत ज़्यादा रहते हैं वहाँ पे. So you get to enjoy a lot of cultures inside that colony. Now it has like gone to that level where everything's cool. But वो एरिया पे आने से डरते थे लोग पहले.
Multicultural.
या पहले आने से डरते थे इसलिए बिकॉज वहाँ पे ना मारपीट दंगे फसाद बहुत ज्यादा होते थे. हमारे वहाँ पे ऐसा गली था, वो उसमें मैं रहता था, एंड नोबडी यूज्ड टू बिलीव लाइक आई वाज अ वेरी शांत किड, नॉट लाइक वेरी लाउड.
Chaotic.
अरे इधर आ तू, मेरा था ही नहीं वो सब कभी सीन. मैं शांति से स्कूल जाता था एंड चुपचाप नर्वसली मैं आता था वापस, बिकॉज आई वाज वेरी सोशल एंजाइटी बहुत था मुझे उस टाइम में. इवन इन द स्कूल आई यूज्ड टू बी वेरी क्वाइट, लाइक आई नेवर यूज्ड टू टॉक टू, एंड आई यूज्ड टू दैट आई थिंक समवेयर हेल्प्ड मी आर्टिस्टिकली, आई विल से. You know, like what I used to do whenever there is a free period when I am not doing anything, मैं अपना बुक ऐसा खोलता था साइंस का. आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर साइंस का जो ग्राफ होता था ना, एक जगह पे ग्राफ,
Yeah,
एक जगह पे प्लेन शीट. वो प्लेन शीट में ना मैं पोर्ट्रेट्स बनाता था.
Wow.
आई यूज्ड टू क्रिएट पोर्ट्रेट्स ऑफ सुभाष चंद्र बोस, महात्मा गांधी एंड स्टफ. सो वन ऑफ द टीचर्स शी केम टू मी एंड शी वाज लाइक, यू डिड इट? और लाइक आई डिड इट. क्या बात कर रहे हैं, नहीं मानती हूँ मैं. अरे मैम सच में मैंने किया है.
Crazy.
तो शी इज लाइक, okay, next time in inter-art competition, I will put your name. I was like, no. I was so scared. I was like, no. So she gave my name, and I was that guy, no, I never prepared. I came there and I was asking, what should I do? Should I do portrait or something? I was like, no, I'll draw the hill where I used to go when I am alone.
Wow.
So I drew that, and suddenly I got the prize and stuff and everything. Still, people were like,
You got a prize for it
yeah,
too?
yeah.
Amazing. What
It
what
was
was
an
your podium placement for that? First, second, third?
I think so, second, not
That's
first.
amazing.
First मुझे याद रहता. Second maybe, okay. But the main thing happened like when एक चाय का दुकान होता है ना, शॉप होता है, तो वहाँ पे शाह बोलते हैं, चाय को शाह बोलते हैं.
Yeah.
So a lot of bunch of guys used to gather there and like they try to bully people, बच्चे वहाँ के लोग. तो one day I went there and they tried to bully me. मुझे पता नहीं, मैंने जाके डैड को बोल दिया उस दिन कि मुझे बुली कर रहे हैं, ऐसे ऐसे बोल रहे हैं क्या क्या. नेक्स्ट दिन जब मैं गया, विशाल आप इधर आओ, चाय वाय पियोगे, कुछ पियोगे आप, बताओ मुझे. आप ये क्या हो गया. दैट हैपेंड एंड आई फील लाइक यू नो विथ एज अ चाइल्डहुड memory, I say that I saw rags also, but I saw my dad growing with me.
Wow.
You know, like he was a kid. I saw him growing in his career path. Like he had nothing. From there he became one of the exporters now.
Wow.
So that journey inspires me so much that a guy who, and वो हमारे सामने से रोते भी थे. रोते in a sense, he never used to make us feel that, you know, कि he is weak or he's not able to provide for us, he never let us feel that.
Yeah, somewhere I think, as you said that earlier, you mentioned that it was by accident, and I said it's a blessing. The reason I say that it's a blessing is because not only did your family come together with you being born in the family, but the responsibilities that your dad also realized that my child, my family, I've got to put myself in a situation where you go from rags to riches. It doesn't happen overnight, but
Yeah,
obvious. But the fact that you were able to live that journey with your father, how
exactly.
many kids can do that?
Exactly.
Like,
I still remember how we changed houses. Like, I remember 1 year old birthday.
that's crazy. Are you good at like
Memorizing.
memorizing stuff from a book? Were you a really good kid in school when it came to bookish
I
knowledge?
was a good kid, but not bookish knowledge. I was a smart kid. I know how to let it
Yeah,
go,
I mean,
like get through in exams and stuff.
don't work hard, work smart.
Yeah, exactly.
Although you did mention that, while coming back, there was a chai place and all of that. And
Yeah.
I've heard this. I want to know if this is true. I've heard that in Shillong, they put ghee in chai.
Yeah.
How
Not
does
right.
that work like?
अभी तो नहीं होता इतना ज़्यादा, but उस टाइम में बहुत ज़्यादा होता था, जैसे घी and all.
What is it called? I mean,
Basic Shah only. They call it Shah, and along with that, as you mentioned, like the ghee thing, उस टाइम में क्या होता था ना, हमारा वहाँ पे चाय लाल चाय. इट्स नॉट दूध वाला चाय नहीं बोलते, लाल चाय बोलते हैं उसको. तो दैट वाज द टी, एकदम लाइट, ओनली दैट टी. एंड ऐसे मतलब जिम्बाम बोलते हैं, जो हम लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, लाइक कि बिस्किट्स एंड ऑल, स्नैक्स एंड ऑल, सो दे से जिम्बाम टू स्नैक्स.
do you have some Jim Balm with Jim Beam?
Okay, I get it.
Yeah, absolutely. Like one plate of Jim Balm and one peg of Jim Beam. Let's.
Now you're talking like local, bro. So yeah, like coming back to again growing up, I saw a major change in our lifestyle when I was in class 8. I saw that, okay, things are changing for me. I started concentrating in my studies too. My dad was doing well. He started with a truck, and he was exporting his limestones and all. And he had a small, very small house where he was working. And we used to go there and we used to like, bro, finally, dude, he is like
But that
doing
feeling
something.
is so different. Like small, big, doesn't matter what it is.
Yeah,
Like, home
yeah, I
is
know,
home,
right?
like,
I know, like it's so
correct.
exciting. Like
Absolutely.
it's, I didn't even feel like कैसा होगा वहाँ पे. I was so excited. I was like, I want to go, bro. I want to see, check everything. You know how it happens. What he's doing right now, and he's calling. He's excited, and it happens very rarely. Okay, that he tells us that, okay, I'm doing this. You guys come and check it out how it is. And एक बहुत village area में we are staying, and we are like, I am vibing with the people over there. Somewhere I feel like my confidence, but like talking wise, I got it from there.
Oh,
When I was talking with the kids over there, no, I felt like the connection, like, oh, dude, I want to do this. And these people, no, they used to be like, we are going there. Oh, like, can I join? And I used to go. And मैं उनके साथ पेड़ पे चढ़ जाता था.
crazy. Have you ever fallen from a
Yeah,
tree?
a lot of times.
What, mango trees?
Mango, lychee tree,
Long
then
fruits.
आंवला tree. Then
अंकल कोई भागे क्या तेरे पीछे डंडा लेके?
सबने मारा है मुझे, सबने. ऐसा कोई नहीं बचा है जिसने मुझे मेरे ऊपर हाथ नहीं उठाया होगा मेरे खानदान में.
Crazy.
And now what happens, like I'm Shant now, okay? So whenever there is a family gathering and anybody says that Vishal, oh my God, they say like that. मैं जंगल वंगल में आग लगा देता था मेरे नाना के वहाँ पे. So I have some stories. I'll come to that. So like I'll tell you, मेरे लिए ना मेरा जो happy place था ना, that was my nana's place.
Wow.
Okay, and I still remember the smell of that place. बिकॉज फिलहाल अभी 1 महीना पहले उसको पूरा घर को टोन डाउन किया गया. तो इट वॉज सो ड्रीमी. आई टेल यू द एटमोसफियर, दैट जो लास्ट एग्जाम होता था हमारा नवंबर के टाइम, वी नो दैट दिस द मोमेंट एग्जाम्स एंड्स, हम लोग जाने वाले वहाँ पे 2 months के लिए.
Yeah, like your summer break is
या
there now.
इट्स लाइक मैंने जितना इतना पूरा एकदम पोलाइट बन के मैंने बिताया ना ये वक्त, अभी छूट जाना ये 2 महीने में पूरा.
It's crazy.
So
Absolutely.
I like used to go there, and the day I go there, I had some friends over there. तो उनके साथ सबसे पहला मेरा रिचुअल होता था कि जंगल जला दो। जहाँ पे भी
जंगल जला दो।
पता नहीं यार, ऑब्सेशन में बहुत गंदा ऑब्सेशन था कि कौन कितना जला देगा।
That's insane, bro. Why are you
Weird.
burning?
I don't know. Weird shit. Like whenever I used to see the सूखा घास, no, and it's like hilly areas. Okay,
Yeah.
hilly areas. Still like, bro, I'm gonna make a mark today. मैं इतना जला दूंगा
Hey,
इस.
but there is also a thing they say that they burn
Yeah, they
slowly
burn it.
because
Yeah.
it
So
helps with.
yeah, exactly. But वो burn ना अपने घर के आजू बाजू नहीं करते.
Yeah, absolutely. That's like.
So like this is the house, okay, and this is the way. It's like mountain. House is here, and you cross, go up, and ऊपर जाके ऐसे एक अंदर की तरफ रास्ता है, and यहाँ पे घर है, and ऊपर एक टॉप में और एक थोड़ा हिल है. मैं वो हिल जो होता है ना, मैं वो जला देता हूँ.
Crazy. Imagine it all being black around and your place just being in the center of
तो
it.
one day what happened, I still remember, मैंने ना थोड़ा fuck up कर दिया था उस दिन. मैंने ऊपर की जगह नीचे आग लगा दिया, और नीचे ब्लॉक्स होते थे घर के, ठीक है. नानू आए शाम को, मुझे ना उधर से धुआं दिख रहा है, और नानू बेचारे ना वो बांस से
Yeah.
वो कर रहे थे, आग बंद कर रहे थे. धो दिया भाई शाम
Bro.
को आके, धो दिया गंदा. और
घर को आग लग जाता तो फिर क्या?
वो ही तो नहीं सोचा उस टाइम.
तेरे को भी जला देते।
वही नहीं सोचा उस टाइम. तो उसके बाद मार पीट के बाद में, उसके बाद शाम को मेरे लिए चॉकलेट्स लाना,
Crazy.
वो ठीक है. बट मेरे डैड को, आई वाज वेरी स्कैर्ड ऑफ माय डैड. व्हेनेवर मेरे बाप ऐसे, अभी जैसे पॉडकास्ट में बात कर रहा हूँ ना, इफ माय डैड वॉक्स इन,
Why, but do you not connect with your dad in a way as a friend?
no, it's I literally ऐसे
Wow.
बात करता हूँ मैं, because I'll tell you, I have not seen him so much during my childhood. 2 years में 1 महीना कभी कभी जब आते थे, because he was hustling. He did how many business, I don't even remember. He's an entrepreneur, okay, like I don't even remember how many businesses he did. I saw his ups, lows, and he used to take high risks,
You
crazy high risks.
gotta do that. If you're an entrepreneur, I think everything comes at risk,
Yeah.
and everything is learned with experience.
Like as you said this, no, I remember a story of my dad. I still remember that feeling, he called my mom. I was very small. I don't know my age, but I didn't know my age, but I was very small. अचानक से डैड का कॉल आता है मॉम को, एंड शी सेज दैट कि यार व्हाट द हेल इज रॉन्ग विथ हिम, एंड ही कॉल्ड मामा, शी कॉल्ड मामा आल्सो कि यार देख एक बार उनको कॉल कर, क्या सीन हो रहा है, बिकॉज ही जस्ट सोल्ड हिज 10 शॉप्स टू बिल्ड अ स्कूल समवेयर, दूसरे एक वहाँ पे. एंड व्हाट हैपेंड, लास्ट कंस्ट्रक्शन बाकी था, सब खत्म हो चुका था, एंड ही वाज कमिंग होम आफ्टर अ ईयर. ही वाज कमिंग होम एंड सडनली कॉल्स मॉम एंड ही टेल्स, ये मुझे बाद में समझ में आया था, जब मैं बड़ा हुआ तब मुझे मॉम ने बताया ये सब हुआ, कि he calls mom and he says that I don't know, but maybe I'll not return back home today.
Whoa.
So the person he was partnered with, what he did while coming, he booked a taxi, and जिसने पार्टनर जो था उनका, उसने उस टैक्सी ड्राइवर को बोला था यहाँ पे आके तू वॉशरूम के लिए निकलना, उसको भी निकालना, और सडनली गायब हो जाना.
What are you saying?
Yeah, and it was in middle of the jungle, and she gave extra how supari बोलते हैं,
Yeah,
supari to the people who sharpshooters basically. Basically she wanted him to get killed so that पूरा उनका हो जाए. And the irony was कि जो आए थे डैड को मारने के लिए,
डैड के दोस्त थे.
हाँ डैड जानते थे उनको, ठीक है. अभी हुआ क्या कि स्टिल वो लोग उनको बोल रहे थे, विष्णु तू क्या कर रहा है यहाँ पे. अरे मेरा गाड़ी खराब हो गया था, मैं वो करने, ही डिडंट डिस्क्लोज दैट ही वाज द वन. मेरा गाड़ी खराब हो गया था तो मैं आया था, लाइक अरे मुझे सुपारी मिली है, एक बंदा को उड़ाना है यहाँ पे कहीं पे तो है. आई डोंट नो मैन, तुझे छोड़ देगा क्या मुझे घर. तो उन्होंने उनको घर छोड़ दिया.
That's epic.
Yeah, and he never returned back because it was life, because it's not like कि वो अकेले अभी family में.
Absolutely.
So that's why he never returned back, and he never worried about. He believed in karma. I don't know. We used to be so furious, now we used to be so furious. Like, how can you leave everything like that? Like, and she said that dad says that if you are doing good karma, maybe you'll suffer, but you'll get greater returns.
Absolutely. I totally agree with that. I believe in karma myself.
Yeah.
because
Like,
It's also that thing they say, what goes around comes around.
exactly. and I followed it like crazy. And the turning point was when I was like in class 8. I don't know. I just decided, bro, let's keep your old stuff aside. Let's create a new person.
Wow.
Let's go for it. So what I used to do is I used to talk to random people, randomly. Drivers ho gaye. If I'm sitting like I don't know you, hi, my name is Charlie. Like, what's your name?
Is
Where are you
that
from?
the birth of Charlie the Vampire?
No, 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 no. So basically, sorry, that time तो चार्ली भी नहीं आया था.
Oh,
चार्ली भी नहीं आया था. It
it was
was
only
just
Vishal.
Vishal and Vam. People used to call me Vam because Vam, people मेरे सिटी में मुझे बोलते थे कि तू वैम्पायर जैसा नाचता है. तो gave me a nickname everybody Vam 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 and like small city तो पूरा फैल गया. मेरा असली जो नाम था विशाल, वो कहीं ना कहीं मतलब बस बहुत क्लोज लोग जो थे वो लोग बुलाते थे कि विशाल एंड ऑल. तो सीन ये हो गया था उसके बाद कि आई स्टार्टेड बिकमिंग एक्सट्रोवर्ट. आई स्टार्टेड ओपनिंग अप विद द पीपल हु वर विद मी इन सिंस नर्सरी बट आई नेवर टॉक टू देम. आई स्टार्टेड बीइंग क्लोज विद देम आल्सो. बट 9th में हुआ क्या, कुछ लफंगे लड़के फिर आ गए जो मेरे से बहुत बड़े बड़े.
I love your narration, bro. Like you have literally taken me back to your school days, and you know, I'm literally in that place right
I
now.
know, right?
I love the narration.
That is like the good part about people tell me, okay, in many podcasts they have said me like you take it very long, but I want to take you to the journey with me, you know.
Absolutely.
If you want to know me, you have to be with me in the journey so that I can take you with me and you can feel what I felt. I can't just give you a statement which I have like written and I'll say that. I am not like that. I will make you feel what I felt.
That's why you're on the Unspoken, bro.
Exactly.
Cheers.
Cheers and
glad to have you.
shout out to the Unspoken, where you can actually say what you want without making it a show.
Unfiltered.
Unfiltered.
How did Charlie come to birth?
Okay. Interesting story, man. So after I did DID, I got a hold of it. I wanted to do it. You know, DID was just a turning point. Like, I was not a pro dancer that time. I used to battle a lot, but I never performed. I used to perform in Durga Puja, in
Oh,
mandaps and all, and I used to get third prize, fourth and all.
but those little things also
Yeah,
meant so
like
much.
so much, yeah. Like I was like first जो आ रहा है ना, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा फर्स्ट कौन आ रहा है, अब मैं तो आ रहा हूँ थर्ड.
हाँ.
ऐसा होता था.
कुछ तो मिल रहा है.
हाँ नहीं कुछ तो नहीं, मुझे लगता बहुत कुछ कमा लिया मैंने, थर्ड आ गया मैं. So after my 10th board, I actually wanted to be a aeronautical engineer. Like I was actually good in studies. Like
Wow.
I was actually good in studies, and I was a freak, like freak. When it comes to science, I was a freak. Like I literally used to make my own theories, weird theories.
It's crazy.
So, anyways, so there was a 2 months gap, जो एग्जाम्स के बाद गैप होता है, 2 महीने का गैप होता है. तो उसमें आई थॉट कि let me complete my bucket list. I always used to watch DID. I saw Raghav Bhai and everyone in that. I saw Prince and all. So I always wanted to be like, मैं बस देखना चाहता हूँ वो process. Like I always wanted to be there. So there were a couple of very good dancers from our city. So there was a group and I was included in the group, in a WhatsApp group. And they were so supportive. They were like, "Are you want to go?" I was so excited. I was like, "I want to go to the auditions. You know, let's see. If I can give the auditions." Then I got very scared. I was like, "I'll join you guys." And it was the first time I was getting out of Northeast.
Wow.
2015 it was. I still remember. So
A decade ago.
yeah, a decade ago. So we met, and I used to get fucking scared because these people are like legit players in the scene, and I was like, बस आ गया. एंड मैं उनके साथ चिल कर रहा था, मैं पूरा जी रहा था वो मोमेंट. दे वर आल्सो लाइक ये पागल है कि ये बंदा है, जैसे समझ में नहीं आ रहा इसको कल मिले हम लोग, ऐसा लग रहा है इसको बहुत टाइम से जानते हैं. तो कोलकाता जा रहे थे हम लोग, एंड इट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग बाय ट्रेन.
First time.
Yeah, I saw the train for first time. I was like, whoa, everything was so fascinating. Like, bro, like how, like train हम लोग बस भाग के जाते थे ट्रेन देखने के लिए, वो टे करके जाता था. When I used to go to my dad's hometown, वहाँ पे ऐसे ट्रेन जाते थे ना, कब बैठूंगा मैं, ऐसा होता था. तो ये लोगों ने क्या किया, मुझे पता नहीं था ट्रेन के टिकट्स कैसे होते हैं. मैंने तो पैसे दे दिए. आदमी बोलता है बुकिंग नहीं हुआ है. बुकिंग नहीं हुआ तो हम लोग कैसे जाएंगे. मुझे लगा ट्रेन के ऊपर बैठना है. वो जो उसमें ये छैया छैया कोई तो गाना था ना, वो शाहरुख खान जो ऊपर बैठ के, मुझे लगा ऐसे ऊपर बैठ के जाएंगे. तो बोला भाई सही है, ऊपर बैठ जाएंगे। मैं बोला मुझे क्या लगा, मैंने एज्यूम कर लिया कि अभी शायद से हम लोग अंदर जा रहे हैं, अंदर भीड़। मैं ट्रेन तो देख लिया, और मैं बाद में एक बंदा था मेरा दोस्त, मैं उसको पूछा ऊपर कब जाएंगे। लाइक क्यों, ऊपर कहाँ जाना है, ऊपर। तो इज लाइक ऊपर कहाँ पे,
हवा खाने।
ही लाइक ऊपर का बर्थ, ऊपर का बर्थ हमारा बुकिंग नहीं है। और like, पता है हमारा बुकिंग नहीं है, इसलिए तो हम लोग ऊपर जाएंगे ना। तो ही इज लाइक अरे पागल हो गए कि क्या बोल रहे तू, अगले हम लोग सोएंगे कहाँ, इज लाइक बुकिंग अभी तक कंफर्म नहीं हुआ है। एंड आई वाज नॉट इवन अंडरस्टैंडिंग, आई वाज नॉट इवन गिवन अ रैड एस टू दैट। आई वाज लाइक भाई मुझे मजा आ रहा है, मैं सो ही नहीं रहा हूँ।
Yeah,
ये लोग ना सब ऐसे टेंशन में, यार सोएंगे कहाँ पे, बुक नहीं हुआ है टिकट्स, वो सब तत्काल में अभी भी वेटिंग में चल रहा है ऐसे में। ये सब मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया उसका।
crazy. And how long was the train journey?
1 day.
1 day. Good 24
It
hours.
felt like 1 hour to be on a serious, but I'm saying that. I got fascinated. मैंने ना वो देखे, like when I saw those ladies come in, like
Yeah, yeah.
you understand what I'm saying, right? मेरी फट गई उस टाइम, वो एक मोमेंट था मेरा। मैं ऐसे, मैंने उसको पूछा, मेरे दोस्त को, ये लोग आते रहेंगे क्या, नॉट आउट ऑफ एनी वो।
Yeah, yeah.
मैं थोड़ा डरता था, मैंने पहली बार देखा है लाइफ में ऐसा। एंड आई गॉट वेरी स्केर्ड, यू नो, लाइक मुझे ऐसा बोलते थे कि ऐसा है वैसा, कुछ नहीं है वैसा, दे आर रियली स्वीट। सो मैं ना ऐसे, भाई ऐसे रखता था पैसा, बस आते।
Yeah, yeah.
I literally used to be like, you know, the moment I was like, it was like this, okay. And they used to be like, oh, cute.
Yeah, blessing.
Yeah, I got the blessings, I think so that day, you know, a lot of blessings. And उसके बाद हम लोग कोलकाता पहुंचे ना, मैं भूल गया था मैं ऑडिशन के लिए आया हूँ। द मोमेंट वी रीच द वेन्यू, हम लोग एक दिन पहले वेन्यू में पहुंचे थे। उस टाइम डीआईडी का क्रेज वाज लाइक ऑन सम अदर लेवल, पीपल यूज्ड टू बी इन द लाइन 2-3 days पहले से। अभी जो बोलते हैं ना रोडीज का लाइन, कुछ नहीं था वो। उस टाइम का जो लाइन था डीआईडी में, कम से कम आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, हम लोगों ने बाद में प्रोडक्शन से पूछा था उस दिन कितने लोग आए, 80,000 से ज्यादा लोग आए थे।
Wow, more than
7 किलोमीटर्स का लाइन, 7 किलोमीटर्स का लाइन,
7 kilometers.
4 लाइन्स, 7 किलोमीटर्स के 4 लाइन्स, ऐसे। तो हम लोग फुल हीरो बन के दूसरे दिन, मैं तो गया था इनको सपोर्ट करने को, तो उन्होंने बोला तू अगर आया है हमारे साथ, लाइन पे भी लग रहा है, व्हाई डोंट यू गिव द ऑडिशंस। विल आई बी एबल टू, वेरी स्केर्ड। एंड आई वाज वेरी बैड विद बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स दैट टाइम। तो मैंने ना एक गाना अचानक से रैंडमली वहां पे चूज किया, ये चील चील चिल्ला के तेरी बजाए। एंड मुझे चील, मैंने ये चील नहीं, मुझे लगा चिल मतलब चिल।
Yeah, yeah.
सो आई स्टार्टेड इंटरप्रेटिंग द सॉन्ग इन माय ओन वे, लाइक लिरिक्स को खुद के
Yeah.
उससे जो मुझे समझ
Your
में आ रहा है।
movement was based on what you were understanding of the song.
Yeah, it was not about how you will, what you listen, it was like I get it like that. मेरे लिए चील उस टाइम में, चील आई मेरे लिए वो ईगल था, ठीक है, मेरे लिए चिल मतलब चिल।
Yeah.
सो आई इंटरप्रेटेड दैट चिल लाइक दैट
Be
चिल।
chill.
एंड दे वर लाइक भाई क्या दिमाग है बंदे में। मैं बोला दिमाग, मैं तो वही सोच रहा था, गाना वही है। तो आई वाज लाइक मिक्सिंग द सॉन्ग ऑन द लाइन, एंड दे आर लाइक लिटिल प्रैक्टिस। आई वाज लाइक भाई मैं फ्रीस्टाइल कर दूंगा, कुछ भी कर दूंगा अंदर जाके, बस मुझे ना वो जजेस देखने हैं सामने मेरे, ये रेमो सर, गीता मैम, ये लोग को देखना है। मैं गया फर्स्ट राउंड वाले, क्या है, एक गंदा सा रूम के अंदर ऑडिशन ले रहे वो लोग, सॉरी नॉट गंदा। तो मैं गया, मैं पूछ रहा हूँ,
नहीं, गंदा था तो गंदा होगा
नहीं
ना।
मैं ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है, मैं ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ, क्या, तो ये लाइक नाचो, जज
नाचो।
जज जज किधर है, ऐसे बोलता है। मैं नहीं, मैंने टीवी में देखा था रेमो सर वो लोग जज है। तो लाइक उधर तक पहुंचने के लिए ये क्लियर करना पड़ा, ऐसा होता है क्या ऑडिशन, मैं ऐसा पूछ रहा हूँ वहां पे। फिर बोलते तू नाचेगा, ये सब करते रहेगा।
Crazy.
हेलो ओके ओके आई डांस यार। एंड मैंने क्या कर दिया था पता है, आई वॉज प्रॉपरली इनटू एनिमेशन लाइक दिस, ओके, दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग आई लर्न,
Crazy.
ओके, एंड ये नेचुरली आ रहा था मुझे। तो मैंने सिल्वर कर लिया पूरे बॉडी को,
Same.
ओके। एंड आई वेंट देयर, आई फॉरगॉट द स्टेप्स व्हिच आई लाइक, मैंने जो सोच सोच के आया था मैं कर लूंगा, फुल फ्री स्टाइल कर दिया।
Wow. And how did that work out for you?
वेरी ग्रेट। सो शी सेड लाइक मुझे बहुत सही लगा, आई होप वील क्लियर द सेकंड राउंड। मैं तो खुश, मैं तो जीत गया जैसा लगा मुझे शो। मैं बाहर आके पागल हो रहा हूँ, मैं फर्स्ट राउंड क्लियर हो गया। एंड ये लोग सब देख रहे इसको हुआ क्या, ये फर्स्ट राउंड क्लियर करके ऐसे क्यों बिहेव कर रहे। तो कॉल्ड माय फ्रेंड्स, मुझे पता चला इनका फर्स्ट राउंड क्लियर ही नहीं हुआ किसी का।
Crazy.
बोले व्हाट द हेल ब्रो। एंड वो ग्रुप में ना मुझे बोल रहे, कुछ लोग बोल रहे कि आई कांट बिलीव दिस। फिर मैं सेकंड राउंड किया दूसरे दिन सुबह को 3 बजे।
Wow.
So
3 a.m. in the
yeah,
morning.
yeah, second round. So when I was done with the second round, I thought I'll not get selected. I came out and like, you got selected for the second round.
Wow.
I was like, what?
Wow. It's that thing where, you know, the most beautiful things in life happen when you least expect them.
Yeah,
Not
exactly.
just that, but it's your craft, it's your art.
Yeah, like I never thought like, you know, I used to dance that good on serious note. My confidence was like, very low when it comes to dancing in that time. So after that, like when I went back to the hotel because third round दूसरे दिन होने वाला था, I saw that respect, you know, like those people know who is like ये पागल जैसा कौन आ गया हमारे साथ. Those people started asking me like when did you started dancing and all. I was like कितने गंदे लोग हैं यार.
पहले पागल बोल रहे थे.
अभी बोलते हैं कि भाई ऐसा ऐसा, तो उन्होंने बोला कि डांस करके दिखा एक बार. मैं फुल पैरानॉइड हो गया. बोले व्हाट द हेल ब्रो. बोले गाना जो तुमने लगाया आई ट्राइड ओके आई कुडंट. लाइक ऐसे सेलेक्ट हुआ. हाँ पता नहीं.
Crazy.
देन ऑन द थर्ड राउंड सुबह 8 बजे में तो एकदम एक्साइटमेंट में चला गया. 8 बजे मेरा फिर से दूसरे दिन सुबह को 3 बजे थर्ड राउंड हुआ.
Whoa. So you needed 3 rounds before you even got
Go to
in front of the
yeah
judges.
yeah. So after the third round I was so tired. I thought I will not get selected. मैंने सुना भी नहीं ध्यान से कि मेरा कोड था समथिंग लास्ट में 1-4 का. आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर दैट कोड बट सामने के नंबर याद नहीं है बिकॉज उस टाइम ही याद नहीं थे. तो उसने कुछ बोला वाले सेलेक्ट नहीं हुआ बोल के फाड़ के मैं चला गया घर. मैं घर गया. मैं बहुत अचीवमेंट फील हो रहा था कि यार मैं इतना तक पहुंचा हूँ. अच्छा था मेरा जर्नी डांस का. मैं ऐसा सोच रहा था अच्छा था मेरा जर्नी डांस का. अभी मेरा
But it was just getting started.
अभी मेरा 11 स्टार्ट होगा. देन आई एम लाइक हाँ ठीक है. सडनली आई गॉट अ कॉल फ्रॉम जी and they tell me that why did you not pick our call? Why did you left that day? I was like I was not selected. No. कदा तो select हुआ है. मैं हाँ क्या? ओह okay. तो मैं कब आऊँ? I was like this okay. So they are like तो हुआ है select. My mom was very happy.
Wow.
My dad was very happy that time. Finally not finally like somebody like out of the box someone is going to Bombay. And for a Bombay नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न के लिए उस टाइम में मुंबई was not less than US.
I think it still is because
Yeah,
that's why they call it the city of dreams.
yeah.
Right? Especially for craft, art, the entertainment business.
और मैं आ रहा था मुंबई क्रिश 4 देख के और क्रिश 3 देख के. मैं बोला भाई बिल्डिंग होंगे. wanna be like all dreamy, all full New York vibes.
Yeah.
एंड मैं उतर गया. फ्लाइट से जब उतरा और लाइक समझ में नहीं आया ना. अंदर तो एसी ऑन था. मुझे पता नहीं था उस टाइम एसी का कंसेप्ट क्या होता है.
Yeah.
तो मुझे लगा वो वेदर है शायद से. ठीक है शिलोंग ही है पूरा. बाहर आया मेरे को वो ब्लोअर किधर चल रहा है ये. इतना हाईटेक कैसे है कि ठंड के लिए ब्लोअर हर जगह पे. समझ क्यों नहीं आ रहा है. ऑटो में बैठा ब्लोअर ऑन है. दिख नहीं रहा है वेंट्स किधर है. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ अंकल को अंकल ब्लोअर ऑफ करो ना गर्म ज्यादा हो रहा है. क्या ब्लोअर मतलब गर्म हो रहा है तो वो तो होगा ही. अरे तो बंद करो. और मेरा डैड वाज लाइक ऐसा ही होता है वेदर शांत रहे. अरे ये वेदर है. ये वेदर है.
Epic.
और लाइक ये वेदर है. मैं ना ट्रॉमा में आ गया 5 मिनट के लिए.
डोर बंद करो जैसा वेदर बोल रहे मुंबई का स्विच है बंद कर दो ठंडी.
ये वेदर है भाई. ये हम लोग वहां पे घर के अंदर हीटर रखते हैं सो दैट गर्म रहे घर. मैं उसके बाद आई वाज लाइक ओके आई गॉट द रियलिटी. ओके मुंबई इज दिस. देन वी वेंट टू द होटल. मैं बोला जो भी हो अभी इस पे कंसंट्रेट करते हैं. सो द जर्नी वाज रियली शॉर्ट बट आई रियली एंजॉयड इट कि मैं इनके सामने परफॉर्म कर पाया. वो स्टेज तक जा पाया. मेरे लिए वो स्टेज बहुत मैटर करता था. एंड आफ्टर दैट नो मुझे चस्का लग गया. आई वाज लाइक मुझे करना है वापस से.
Absolutely.
आई वांट टू गो देयर अगेन. 11 को मुझे साइंस लेना था. मैंने कॉमर्स ले लिया.
Crazy.
And I started giving a lot of time to my art and I became a rebel.
You know, I was about to ask you that since you got such prizes, you know, in your competition, art competition, I was going to come to that point where in 11th and 12th, did you actually take art?
No. I took commerce.
Commerce. Being aeronautical engineer, you needed science. Good at art, but didn't take art. Ended up taking commerce. How is commerce helping you today?
So I'll tell you something, okay? Why I took commerce. Somebody, I don't know. I just want to know who that person was. Take commerce. Commerce will help you, you know. कॉमर्स ना ऐसा सब्जेक्ट है जो तेरे लिए लाइफ लॉन्ग तेरे कुछ नहीं होता है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है गाइस, ओके? कि तुम्हें लाइफ लॉन्ग तुम क्या लेजर बनाओगे, अभी तुम सुबह को क्या खाए शाम को क्या खाए, नहीं होता है। आई वाज लाइक यार मैंने क्यों ले लिया ये सब नंबर धर 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 धर, ये हो रहा है जितना आ रहा है सिलेबस में लिख के निकलो। तो 11th में जब आया जोश जोश में कॉन्फिडेंस में ले लिया मैंने कंप्यूटर, मुझे लगा सेम ही होगा, सीधा आया सी प्रोग्रामिंग का थपका भूप कर गया और लाइक भाई ये क्या है अभी। तो इफ यू हैव डन सी प्रोग्रामिंग व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग अ प्रोग्राम,
2-page programs, coding and stuff.
it's like the first when you start the heading it's like stdio.h konaya.h then you start
Yeah.
programming. तो मैं क्या करता था एग्जाम्स के टाइम, आई वॉज सो होपलेस इन कंप्यूटर, आई टेल यू आई वाज सो होपलेस। मैं फाइनल एग्जाम चल रहे हैं 11th के, मैंने पता नहीं कुछ करके हम हमारे ये जो इंटरफेस होता था स्कूल का उसमें गेम नहीं खेल सकते थे, मैंने सबवे सर्फर डाउनलोड करवा दिया,
Crazy.
ठीक है, बट मैं कोडिंग नहीं सीख पाया मैंने बस सीखा stdio.h konaya.h, बीच का पता नहीं, लास्ट में gtch करके बंद कर दो। और मैं ना एक दिन ऐसा बंद ऐसे बैठा हूँ एंड द टीचर केम लाइक व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, लाइक I know whatever I knew, what was in my power, I just did it. I used to question everything.
Crazy.
I still remember the accounts teacher. She was like, she was old, but she had a killer smile. Confidence होता है ना जो ऊंचा लेवल का कॉन्फिडेंस, उनके सामने मैं चुप रहता था। बाकी जो टीचर्स आते थे, जो अकाउंटेंसी में भी 3 टीचर्स होते थे, तो आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर ही वाज टीचिंग मी हाउ टू मेक प्रोराटा। आई डोंट नो हाउ आई रिमेम्बर भाई, और वो सबसे टफेस्ट सम था,
Crazy.
मैं वो सीख गया। और जो बेसिक चीजें होती है ना जैसे लेजर बनाना, मैं नहीं सीख पाया।
Bro, I'm telling you, in math, the only thing that I never really understood was trigonometry.
Oh my
Cos, theta, this.
I don't know, like I liked it.
I'm like that kid from that movie. Like that kid that suddenly sees numbers going here and there. That's what trigonometry used to do for me.
I don't know if you've used that formula. Some people have curly brown hair, but you're blah blah blah, and you have to just match the words. S theta, tan theta. We actually did that thing, okay? I don't know. Our teacher was so creative.
Yeah, some people, as in I have curly brown hair. What about that?
No, it's like
The formula.
so. Once you write it, no, some people have curly brown hair, which turns something something.
Okay.
It's like S theta by C theta, and you get the formulas from
This
that.
is gibberish for me. I'm not understanding. a
How
single
should
thing
I
you're saying
like?
right now? because-
I know the Ambos people will relate to this. I think so.
Shout out to all the people that can relate to this. I can't because I suck at math, especially trigonometry.
So, making it simple for you. So you know the thetas, right? Like
Yeah.
S, T, and everything. So some people have curly brown hair. The first initials you take,
Okay.
okay, which turns something something. So S by T, theta. So you
Very bad teacher, bro.
I'm very bad.
You're a very bad teacher. You're a good narrator, but you're a very bad teacher.
Yeah.
But I'm also not in the receiving space. Like I'm like, why am I even getting into it? Why is this?
I am getting
making
sweat.
sense to me right
Sweat breaks. I'm a very good teacher when it comes to art. But
Shout out to all of Charlie's teachers that have taught Charlie whatever he remembers today.
thank you, yaar, but not helping. So, anyways, so what I was saying is,
So I want to come to the point of you becoming the artist that you are today, like the groove, the way you move, your art, the form of dance that you do, and the places that you've been to because of your art. Tell me all about it. Like I'm all yours. I've been waiting to hear, and I've watched you groove. I've seen you be yourself, and I feel like you are in your own element in that time. When you're grooving, when you're moving, just flowing.
I'll tell you very honestly, okay? I'll keep it very simple. I'll come to that. But I don't know. I have noticed this. It was very weird for me in the beginning. I meet myself when I'm grooving. I don't know why. I meet myself when I'm grooving.
Wow.
Like I literally have a conversation with myself when I'm grooving, because at that time I'm like divinely connected to myself. You know,
Yeah, it is sacred. I mean, your art is always got to be sacred because you love it so much.
and it doesn't matter that time. No, when somebody like, if like even we partied together, you know. So even in clubs when nobody's dancing, and suddenly that
Yeah, you know, that one
kicks in.
beat
No,
just hits.
I don't care who is there.
Yeah.
I am vibing with myself over there. I don't care if there are 100 people, one person, two-person, or some two judgmental people who doesn't like music or who doesn't like dancing. But when I turn their head, I feel like, okay, I am with me.
Wow. Yeah, I think that's exactly why you are able to flow because, you know, it puts you in that state of mind where you're not being judged. I am me, I'm in my own sacred space, and I don't care. Even if people are watching me, passing comments or whatever, but that is the purest form of flow that you could ever
I
have.
feel, I don't think when I'm doing it.
Wow.
Like right now also I'm thinking, like I have to answer, then I am speaking with you because I have to go back to the memory, what I'm speaking about. But when I'm that space, I'm not thinking.
Wow.
It's emptiness. And when I'm saying emptiness, it's a very good emptiness. No toxicity, no negativity,
Wow.
nothing around. It's a whole empty space for you to
Pure
grow.
bliss.
Yeah.
Absolute bliss.
So to reach that state, I think I was, as an artist, I'll tell you, I was very competitive. I wanted to get everything very quickly because मेरे दिमाग में ये घुस चुका था 11th में कि अगर मैंने डांस इंडिया डांस को क्रैक किया कुछ ना जान के, मुझे अभी जानना है खुद को अच्छे से.
Wow.
I started battling.
How many reality shows have you done?
One,
Dance
two,
related?
three.
3.
Yeah,
Wow.
3 shows.
And what are the drawbacks you take from these?
Oh my God, like a lot. Like I'll tell you, I understood this about me after Dance Plus. Like the 2 years gap, like 2015, 16, 17 में I got Dance Plus. तो वो जो 2 साल था ना, my dad was not at all supportive because he thought that I'm losing myself.
Wow.
Because मुझे literally उनको पकड़ना पड़ता था. I was not like that in front of him. मैं रिबेल करने लग गया था. मुझे प्रैक्टिस करना है तो मैं जाऊंगा कुछ भी करके. तो मुझे एक ऐसे लाइफस्टाइल में डाला गया कि सुबह को 5 बजे से लेके रात को 9 बजे तक पूरा बिजी शेड्यूल, सो दैट आई डोंट गेट टाइम टू डांस.
Whoa.
एवरीथिंग. सुबह को 4 से 5 एक एनसीसी कैंप में भेज देते थे जहाँ पे मुझे थोड़ा सा मिलिट्री वाले ट्रेनिंग कराते थे. 5 से 6 टेकोंडो, 6 से 7 इट्स लाइक योर टाइम व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. बट 7 से 8 देन यू गो टू स्कूल. ऐसे ऐसे पूरा एकदम प्रॉपर रूटीन. तो मैं वहां से ना निकालना शुरू किया. मैं ट्यूशन नहीं जाता था.
Bunking, yeah.
Yeah, so after that I realized one thing, you know, कि मैं ना गलत जा रहा हूँ, मुझे ऐसा फील हो रहा था. ठीक है, एक होता है ना, इट्स देयर इज ऑलवेज अ डार्कर साइड ऑफ हिप हॉप आल्सो.
Absolutely. Like I said, the universe has its balance, right?
Yeah.
The good and the bad.
So when I saw that I am moving so fast, I was thinking, okay, I have something, but it turned into overconfidence, I'll say.
Wow.
When I see that, no, now, like the person what I was becoming, it was not me.
And do you think this overconfidence led you to doing some wrong things in life?
So it was, now I feel it was an overconfidence, but that time, you know, what was happening, कि if you're doing some move in front of me, I just saw it, I will do it. I don't even have to understand the techniques. And I thought it's just me who can do it, you know? And people जो झाड़ पे चढ़ाने वाले लोग बहुत ज़्यादा मिल गए थे मेरे लाइफ में. I was not losing battles. And suddenly a time came in class 12 when academically I went very low.
I think everybody hits that phase.
Yeah,
you know,
but
where-
for me, that was the realization that, bro, look at your 10th results and look at your performance after that. I was like, damn, dude, what
but
the hell?
how did that, I mean, how did that affect your dancing?
I'll tell you how. Because मेरे घर पे my dad, my mom, they wanted कि हमारा बेटा पढ़ लिख के बहुत अच्छा कुछ करे. And what I used to do is, I was in that phase, but they thought that dancing is becoming a problem. Because मैं रात रात को घर नहीं आ रहा हूँ, कॉम्पिटिशन में जा रहा हूँ, लोगों के साथ घूम रहा हूँ, बाल कलर करके घूम रहा हूँ. तो वो लोग को लग रहा था कि मैं शायद से गलत स्पेस में जा रहा हूँ, कोई गलत उसमें जा रहा हूँ, संगत पे जा रहा हूँ। तो जैसे ऐसे स्पेस हो गया था लिविंग रूम में, अगर मैं हेड स्पिन प्रैक्टिस कर रहा हूँ तो दूसरे दिन आके देखते हो वहाँ पे फर्नीचर फिल्ड हो गया। So they
Oh,
didn't let any space in the house where I could dance. I'll tell you how I choreograph my dance plus tap.
so basically what you're saying is that your parents saw you go off path,
Hmm.
and they, by all means, they try to stop you from following your dream of being
No, they didn't
slow.
thought ना, अभी अभी मैं बड़ा हो गया हूँ ना. Now I understand. As a parent, if I see that my kid is very good in studying and he's losing his path because of some people, I'll be like, bro, I'll be concerned because at the end तो मेरे बच्चे हैं ना. मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि अच्छा हो. उनको थोड़ी ना पता था कि मैं कर लूंगा कुछ. दे डोंट नो ना कि फ्यूचर में क्या होने वाला है. पीपल थिंक दैट आई गॉट डीआईडी आफ्टर दैट आई डायरेक्टली डिड डांस प्लस. नो, in the middle I had a lot of failures, a lot of shows, dance plus 1, dance plus 2, a lot of money also, financially also I spent a lot, like going directly. जैसे आज ऑडिशंस है, मेरा कॉलेज है, फ्राइडे को उसी रात को मैं टिकट करके जा रहा हूँ दूसरे सिटी पे ऑडिशन देने को, और वहाँ पे रिजेक्ट होके आ रहा हूँ. सो इट्स लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल लॉस, मेंटल लॉस, बहुत ज़्यादा इनसिक्योरिटीज हो जाती है तुम्हें तुम्हारा टैलेंट को लेके कि आर यू मेंट फॉर इट,
Yeah.
और यू आर जस्ट ट्राइंग योर best but nothing is happening. Is it for you? All these questions comes up.
It's crazy.
So, and when your family is involved, because that time I was not earning, my family was sponsoring me
Yeah.
for this, and somewhere I was in the guilt also ki like they are hoping so much from me and they are like investing so much on me, and I'm not able to do it still. आफ्टर अ लॉट ऑफ फेलियर्स, मेरा वो ना बहुत अच्छा चीज था उस टाइम में कि जैसे आज मैं दुखी हूँ, जैसे आज ऑडिशन से मैं आया शिलोंग में दुखी हूँ थोड़ा सा, तो उसे स्टार्ट अगेन. इट वाज लाइक दैट. सो सो यू थिंक यू कैन डांस, देन डांस प्लस 1 2 3, देन अदर शोज आल्सो आई गिव ऑडिशंस जहाँ पे मैं फर्स्ट राउंड में आउट हुआ हूँ. उसके बाद जब एक होता है ना पॉइंट जहाँ पे कोई ट्रस्ट नहीं करता, कोई बिलीव नहीं करता, ये बहुत रिजेक्शन हो गया, इसके लिए बना नहीं ये चीज़. सो आई स्टिल रिमेंबर आई वाज इन अ फैमिली डिनर एंड माई डैड नो ही सिट्स ऑन द वो एज जो मिडिल वाला सीट में होता है, एंड मेरे जो काका लोग समझा रहे थे लाइक कंसंट्रेट ऑन स्टडीज, डांस में कुछ नहीं रखा है, प्लीज डोंट रूइन योर फ्यूचर. आई वाज लाइक होगा होगा कुछ तो होगा. तो वहां से डैड ने बोल दिया कि तुझ जैसे हजारों है नॉर्थ ईस्ट में.
Crazy.
सो ये सब सर से हटा, यू कांट बी द बेस्ट इन दिस, सो कंसंट्रेट ऑन थिंग्स विच आर गुड एट. That triggered me like crazy.
Absolutely, man, because it's like crushing your dreams altogether.
I was like, and my sister, I actually introduced her to dancing. I wanted, कि एक sibling bond हो, दोनों dance वांस
Nice.
करे. So I choreographed her. She was not new to dancing. Then she went to a competition and she won it. I was like, she won it?
Wow.
Then I took her into a battle, and she was very small. In the community, during 2016, she was the smallest, I mean, youngest person to get down in hip hop battles.
Wow.
So I was feeling good. I was feeling proud that, I'm traveling with my sister. I'm taking her everywhere with me. Everybody started knowing Rex everywhere. I gave her the name Rex.
Shout out to you, Rex.
Shout out to, no. So, whatever, like, जो भी है वो. तो this thing is कि तारीफ मुझे ना उसका नहीं होता है. Anyways, तो she started finding her own style. She is a very good animator right now. She's recognized all over India as an animator. So a part of all this, she was supporting me. She was like, bro, don't take it seriously. You know who you are. Just concentrate on yourself. So मैंने ना सर फोड़ लिया था, मुझे अभी याद है, ऑडिशन के पहले मैंने वॉल पे जाके सर फोड़ दिया. मुझे जाना है तो जाना है. एंड आई वाज हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड एंड माय डैड केम
heavy.
एंड वहां पे चिल्ला दिया मेरे ऊपर सबके सामने.
और फटके खाएगा ना?
फटके सीधे थप्पड़ पड़े, सर पे नहीं पड़ा, थप्पड़ पड़ गए. बाद में हम लोग निकले, तो उसके बाद ना मैंने बोल दिया मेरे स्कूल एक्सकर्शन है, मुझे जाना पड़ेगा, और मैं निकल गया ऑडिशन के लिए.
Insane.
एंड दैट इज वेयर आई फील चार्ली वाज आउट, बिकॉज उसके पहले क्या होता था कि मैं ना चार्ली चैपलिन को बहुत फॉलो करता है, टू सी अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस, एंड आई लाव करके, एंड आई सडनली डिडंट रियलाइज दैट that is getting implemented in my style. Like I started giving, like, if I'm this is my act, okay, I'll be like, after that I went for Dance Plus. मैंने excursion का बहाने से Dance Plus का auditions दिया, and कहीं ना कहीं that Charlie Chaplin thing worked for me. I started miming in animation.
Wow.
So I kept certain words को मैं अपने हिसाब से खेलना शुरू कर दिया गाने के साथ. And I chose a song I never thought I'll choose. I chose आ अंटे अमलापुरम.
Wow. What a famous track, bro.
Yeah, we are there यार. एक सीन तो मेरे डैड घर पे थे. He was angry on me also, but at the same time my mom was like, जो जा और डैड को वो प्रणाम करके आशीर्वाद लेके जा. So I went there and I was very scared. I was very awkward also. कि like then I said like, dad अब मैं जा रहा हूँ. बोले ठीक है. So I went. I cleared 2 rounds in Guwahati. Then I cleared 3rd round in Kolkata. Then the main thing happened. I never thought I'll be in Dance Plus, as that show was serious business for dancers. जो dancers थे वो लोग डरते भी थे कि इसका audition दूँ कि ना दूँ. Am I ready or not? And I went for the ये जो audition था. And I think so at that time I was the only contestant जिसके 2 गाने थे एक साथ. आंटे अमलापुरम से switch था to ततर ततर.
Like a fusion.
Yeah.
Wow.
एंड फ्यूजन क्या मैंने खुद मिक्स कर दिया था. आई हैड टू हाउ टू गो टू दैट सॉन्ग. तो मैंने ना अजीब सा एक बीच में कुछ कंसर्ट वंसर्ट डाल के मैंने मिक्स करा दिया उसको. एंड उसको मैंने डांस के थ्रू ऐसा करा दिया कि लगे ना कि दूसरा गाने में मूव ऑन. एंड आफ्टर द परफॉर्मेंस वाज डन, आई गॉट अ स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन फ्रॉम रेमो, एवरीबॉडी.
Wow.
And it was so unreal for me. I was like, bro, last year I used to see Sushant Khatri, Piyush Bhagat in this stage, and used to fall in love when they used to perform, and you are on the same stage on the next year. I was like, dude.
How did your dad feel about this?
Okay, one more thing I forgot to address. तो ये सब हो रहा है कमेंट में. लाइक when comment section started, like धर्मेश sir said that आपके लिए डांस प्लस देखेंगे लोग. I was like, bro, I'm already cloud 9. I don't want to go to cloud infinity. I was like, oh, like everything was so mesmerizing, and I became so candid. Puneet sir asked me, and how are you feeling? I was like, I'm feeling good. आप ऐसे देखते हो ना, मुझे डर लगता था, इसलिए भाई निकल गया भाई परफॉर्मेंस. ऐसे ऐसे बोलना स्टार्ट कर दिया. तो रेमो सर अचानक से बोलते हैं कि हाउ इज योर डैड. लाइक इज गुड, इट्स चिल. डैड का नंबर याद है और मैं नर्वस. हाँ, मुझसे ना नहीं होता है झूठ बोलना.
Crazy, yeah.
मैंने बोल दिया हाँ. नंबर पूछ रहे, मैं बोल भी रहा हूँ 96. हाँ, बोल दिया. उसके बाद जब कॉल लगा ना, मुझे रियलाइज, ओह शिट, व्हाट आई डिड, ही इज कॉलिंग माय डैड. एंड आई टोल्ड माय डैड आई एम इन एक्सकर्शन.
Yeah, excursion.
मैं बोल रहा ये तो फाड़ देंगे अभी, और नेशनल टेलीविजन में मुझे गाली भी पड़ने वाली है. ही कॉल्ड एंड ओ माय गॉड, दैट फीलिंग. लाइक रेमो सर ने डांट दिया मेरे डैड को कि आप इसको सपोर्ट क्यों नहीं करते हो. तो डैड ने बोला ये पढ़ाई अच्छे से नहीं करता है, ये सब वो सब. तो ही हैड हिज ओन रीजंस ऑब्वियसली. एंड आई he Remo sir said that tell your dad that your name has come on the plus. And when I said it, I ended up in tears. Like I cried like crazy on the stage. Puneet sir came, he hugged me, and it was very special. Yeah, it was so special. That moment, I can't even define that. Like अचानक से everything is, the stars are aligned.
Absolutely.
You are on the correct space at the correct time with the correct talent. And when all this thing was happening, I was like just in the moment, in like so इतना क्रेजी चीजें हो रही थी मेरे साथ कि एक दिन, एक रात पहले तुम कुछ नहीं थे, आज तुम हो कोई. एंड परफॉर्मेंस आगे के हुए, और एक जगह एक परफॉर्मेंस में जहाँ पे उस एपिसोड में मैं निकल रहा था, तो उन्होंने बोला था ऐसा कि रेमो सर ने कि विशाल पॉल, चाहे कोई भी है टॉप 6 में, बट तुमने एक ऐसा स्टाइल छोड़ा है जो लोगों को हमेशा याद रहेगा.
Wow, that's
एंड
that's a compliment you live
Yeah.
by.
एंड दैट थिंग आई स्टिल फील वेरी ब्लेस्ड कि बहुत लोगों को स्पेस नहीं मिलता, और मुझे वो कमेंट मिला. एंड पीपल स्टार्टेड कॉलिंग मी चार्ली देयर बिकॉज आई वाज गूफी. यू नो हाउ आई एम, लाइक यू नो हाउ आई एम एक्चुअली एम.
Yeah.
सो आई यूज्ड टू लाइक, मैं छेड़खानी करता था. फिर आई वाज वेरी कॉमिक विद पीपल. तो दे स्टार्ट कॉलिंग मी चार्ली 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 चार्ली, और नाम ना पड़ गया मेरा वो. एंड द फर्स्ट पर्सन हु स्टार्टेड दिस नेम वाज रेमो सर.
Wow. So Charlie came to birth
या
because of your dance class journey,
या.
and the person to give you that title was Remo D'Souza.
So my title, like battle name got changed from Vamp to Charlie at that
Wow.
time. But I'll tell you, there are drawbacks also. After I completed the show, I was very clueless what should I do next, because that show gave me a lot. And when I returned back to Shillong, I developed a self, like, एक होता है ना कि एक सेल्फ अवेयरनेस होता है, एक होता है कि मुझसे बड़ा कौन. मैं बहुत सीधा सीधा बोल सकता हूँ कि मैं सोचता था वैसा कि हाँ, मैं अभी इंडिया में ऐसा एक इंसान हूँ जिसने खुद का कुछ किया है, एंड आई हैव टू कैरी इट विथ मी. So I used to decide where I'll go, which workshop will I do. I was like the same person, but somewhere I was like, okay, I am in a certain level, but I took it in a negative way that I'm in a certain level. And when I came to Bombay after that, Bombay humbled me.
He brought you back to ground
Bombay
zero.
humbled me on a crazy level because it was very necessary. Now I feel it was very necessary because I had to be shown my place. You know?
Wow.
When I came here, I got involved in other things. मैं जिस चीज़ के लिए यहाँ पे आया था डांसिंग के लिए, वो नहीं करके मैं सब कर रहा था, चिल कर रहा था, पार्टी कर रहा था, सब कर रहा था. After that, no, I realized one thing, bro, what are you doing? Are you aligned with the craft? I was working very hard, but again, no selections, nothing. I was in a toxic relationship also after that, so that also took a lot from me. I never thought like मुझे पता नहीं था low feel क्या होता है. On a serious note, मैं जो जगह से आया हूँ, हम लोग बहुत मेहनती होते हैं पहाड़ी. Like they can't let emotions control them because that will be the last thing. Because they have to feed their family, they have to work hard. यहाँ पे मैंने देखा ना, मैं बहुत comfortable हो गया. छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को लेके थोड़ा गुस्सा हो जाना. Then adopting the nature of my ex-partner.
City life, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that also
Yeah.
happens.
Then suddenly I saw that I am becoming what I am not.
You're losing yourself in the
Yeah.
process.
I have started to be introvert. I am molding myself to the person which certain person is telling me that you are not doing this right. So I was like, okay, I'm not doing this right. Even if I was right, I knew that my heart wanted that.
Wow.
I'll tell you something. When I am with someone, I'm hopelessly romantic. I don't see any bad in that person. Like,
Yeah, I think it's not about just seeing bad in a person, but I think it's you telling yourself that it's okay, I can give this person another chance. Or, you know, there's scope of improvement, or things will turn around, or my love will change that.
I was actually about to leave dancing. I was in Mumbai and I was actually working on a business project.
Wow.
Because I wanted to, obviously, I see a future with somebody. I can do whatever comes.
That's pressure.
Yeah.
That's pressure
Yeah,
in,
yeah.
in a sense of responsibility where I think, you know, you set your goals aside
Exactly.
to sustain the current situation wherein
Exactly. So I felt that, and when I was it's very personal, but I'll say it to you. When I was talking to her, like I was telling her like what inspires me to do this, so much of sacrifice, so that I can see a future with you. But वहाँ पे हुआ क्या कि I get to listen something बहुत weird from her. Like you have to come to that level. Right now, I can think of the family and stuff where I am, and you're not on that level right now. And suddenly that 2017 Charlie kicked in. I was like, bro, you know what? I had enough. Now we'll see what I can do. I said 3 months, bro.
But my question being is that why can't you coexist with your partner or with a person that you love, maybe a friend or family member or whatever it is? I think simple communication is key. Understanding, comprehension is required.
Exactly.
Why does it take something that drains you to lift you up again?
Okay. I'll answer it. Okay. When you are intoxicated, you feel good for a while.
Yeah,
You feel good
absolutely.
for a while. But when you are sober again, you feel that headache a little bit.
Like a hangover.
Yeah, like a hangover,
Yeah.
right? So
Charlie,
for
you've been
me,
drinking too much though.
no. No, I'm not drinking that much. No, guys. So for me, it was like that I was not understanding that this is eating me from inside, but I was enjoying the hurt also.
Wow. Sweet pain.
Yeah, I was enjoying the hurt also because somewhere I was getting used to it. You know, I was getting dependent on that person, and that became my what should I say, like मेरी basically मेरा जो पूरा world है वो उसके अराउंड सर्वाइव वो होने लग गया था, सर्कल होने लग गया था. उसकी वजह से मेरा मेरा वो इंट्रोवर्ट नेचर भी आ गया था कि मैं लोगों से कम्युनिकेट नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ अच्छे से. तो आई एम वेरी कंफ्यूज्ड कि उस दिन व्हाट किक्ड इन मी. आई वाज लाइक ब्रो, इफ I am in 100% in this and I don't get 100% from the other person, you have to understand, bro, that it's time. It's time for you to move on. It's time for you to love something else. It's not that I have any grudge. I'm very glad that she came. She showed me what I was and what I can be. I was not all flowers. I thought I am all flowers, but I saw that side of me with her. So I'm very glad that I met that side of me also. एंड उसके बाद जब मैंने डांस दीवाने किया, मुझे लगा कि कहीं ना कहीं आई एम ऑन द गुड पाथ, लाइक वी वेर ओवर ऑब्वियसली, कि शायद से मैं फिर से वापस आने लग गया हूँ, चीज़ों में वापस आ रहा हूँ. बट ना एक होता है ना एक लेजेंड वाला वो सीन नहीं वो मेरा. एंड कहीं ना कहीं चीज़ें फिर से स्टैब्लिश होने लगी अंदर. एंड बहुत सारे रीजंस, मैं तो मतलब कॉर्पोरेट जॉब्स के लिए अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ, वो लोग मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि
Building
ये
from
सब
scratch. Yeah.
एज यू लाइक इवन आई हैव शेयर्ड दिस स्टोरी इन माय पीआई ऑफ रोडीज whatever is happening. So I want to share something which I didn't share in the PI. Ki that state where you are like literally on your bed, no movements, you don't feel like doing anything. You know you are getting shattered every day, but you are not doing anything for yourself.
You're numb.
You are numb, exactly, emotionally numb.
Yeah.
And at that time, nobody is there. You are not dependent on anybody. And at a certain time you feel like it's over for you. And वो सर्वाइवल इंस्टिंक्ट ही मर जाता है तुम्हारा कि तुम्हें रहना है, तुम्हें कुछ करना है, खत्म हो गया. लाइक इट्स लाइक न्यू गेम ब्रो. आई डोंट वांट टू
Yeah.
प्ले इट एनीमोर. इफ इट्स अ गेम आई डोंट वांट टू प्ले इट एनीमोर. आई नीड अ न्यू गेम. एंड एक होता है ना रे ऑफ होप, दैट वाज रेक्स फॉर मी.
Shout out to you, Rex, again.
I called her. I was like, bro, take care of the family and stuff. You know, I'm like done and stuff. And she didn't even say that तू कुछ करने वाला है क्या? She didn't even said that. She said, bro, listen, do one thing, go for roadies. I was like, bro, you saw me mentally, health wise मैं कहाँ पे हूँ अभी? मुझे लगता है मैं रोडीज कर लूँगा. 1 महीना और 2 महीना है, कर लेगा. I was like, okay, I'll try. And that audition gave me hope. Then, you know, when you are like good with yourself,
Yeah.
the universe are still like the universe start making things happen in your life. So I started applying for dance fitness कि कहीं ना कहीं मिल जाएगा शायद से मुझे, क्योंकि एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं था डांस फिटनेस का. सो मैंने कई जगह जाके टीचर के लिए ऑडिशन दिया, ट्रेन हुआ. ट्रेन भी नहीं हुआ एक्चुअली, मैं उधर से भी रिजेक्ट हो गया था. फिर मैंने उस रिजेक्शन को ना अपना पावर बनाया. वो लाइक ब्रो, आई नो हाउ इट वर्क्स नाउ, आई विल क्रिएट माई ओन रूटीन ऑफ एन आवर. एंड आई डिड द सैम्पलिंग ऑन माई रूममेट्स.
Wow.
मैंने उनको नचाया, उनको मैंने पूछा रिव्यू दो अच्छा. तो उसके बाद आई स्टार्टेड टेकिंग डांस फिटनेस क्लासेस एंड आई वाज नॉट, मैं वो मजे के लिए कर रहा था, बट मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि दैट इज हेल्पिंग मी टू गेन माई स्टैमिना टू दैट लेवल.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know, and I feel my roommates were also started helping me. Like उनके बाइक लेके मैं सुबह सुबह जाता था कि मैं फिटनेस क्लासेस लूँ, डांस फिटनेस क्लासेस लूँ, and everything started making sense. I started working in a farm. Like I started managing a farm. It's like a retreat farm.
Wow, where was this?
It's in Pune.
Okay.
So वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था कि जो पहला दिन था उसमें मुझे उसके पहले दिन मुझे कॉल आता है रेक्स से कि नानू नहीं रहे. I was like numb. I never cry. बहुत मेरे close लोग गुजरे.
Crazy, I got goosebumps, man.
Yeah, बहुत.
May his soul rest in peace.
Yeah. So like बहुत close लोग गुजरे. मैं कभी वो नहीं हुआ. And I was never prepared. He was our safe place. You know, हम लोग हिंदी में बात करते हैं. किधर है क्या सीन. और he was the सबके साथ ना he was very rude. Only with me and Rex. Like और क्या सीन है जरा.
Nice.
वैसा वाला. तो आई वॉज वेरी नम दैट डे, यू नो. एंड मेरे बॉम्बे से दोस्त आए थे उस दिन. लाइक इट वॉज स्टार्टिंग, नो, आई एम स्टार्टिंग अ न्यू जॉब एंड स्टफ. तो मैं ना थोड़ा टेंशन में आ गया वहाँ पे कि ब्रो मेरे साथ ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है. जब मैं हाईज हिट करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. आई तो एंड द वर्स्ट थिंग इज, यू नो, 20th, आई नेवर फॉरगेट इट, 20th अक्टूबर, नानू का श्राद्ध एंड रोडीज का ऑडिशन एक साथ.
Oh, that's heavy, bro.
I called, I was like, I'm coming, dude. I don't care, I'm coming. Then Rex was like, bro.
Yeah, but I'm sure Nanu would want you to go.
Yeah, she said the same thing. Go. If he would have been here, he would have told you the same thing.
Absolutely.
I went with that mindset in the audition. I'll tell you how, when I was in the auditions, I'm asking those 15 people, bro, what to do inside. I don't know how GD works. I'm asking them because I know how, when a dance audition में क्या है, हम लोग को डांस करना होता है, उसके बाद क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. इसमें करे क्या, पता ही नहीं ना क्या होगा अंदर. And they tell me to introduce myself in 30 seconds. I was like, क्या बताओ, खाना क्या पसंद है, 30 seconds में कैसे बताऊँ मैं कुछ. So after that, it went low-key, cool. Then GD2 happened and I called Rex. I was like, bro, what is wrong? What is happening, man? She's like, it's all blessings, bro.
Absolutely.
It's all blessings.
It's
you know?
also your talent, it's your personality.
Yeah, it's all blessings. And in the journey, things happened. Like, I feel like I took it as a game, not a show. It was purely a game for me, but a game where my emotions got involved.
Oh.
Very tightly, I'm speaking. So, whoever is
That
following the
put
show.
you in like a situation of utmost pressure.
Pressure in the sense, what pressure?
Pressure in the sense where were your decisions or your choices being
So-
influenced by people around you, even though game?
I came to Roadies from a place where I survived. It was the only show. After that mental whatever it is, I don't want to recall that. But for me, survival was the key because I survived from that situation. मैंने वहाँ से खुद को उठाया जहाँ पे लोग पंखे पे लटक जाते हैं. तो for me, survival instinct was at my peak when I was in the game because I wanted to go further in the game. And मेरे लिए वहाँ पे कुछ भी मैटर नहीं करता था. मेरा कनेक्शंस हो गए थे वहाँ पे, कुछ चीज़ें बिगड़ गई अंदर, and which make me take that decision. And nobody knows this, but I used to get severe panic attacks. I never talk about it. I still remember when I used to get my clothes from the tent, my emotions used to be on the peak, and I wanted to share it with anyone, but इतना गेम की बातें होती थी ना अंदर, मुझे डर लगता था कि मैं वो वीक साइड दिखाऊं कि ना दिखाऊं किसी को. तो मैं बहुत टाइम ऐसा, वो टेंट के पीछे ना मैं चिल्ला नहीं पाता था. आई यूज्ड टू लिटरली बाइट ऑन सम क्लॉथ एंड आई जस्ट सिट so that nobody should see me and stuff. एंड बाहर जब आता था ना, मुझे बहुत अजीब लगता था ये ऐसे लोगों के साथ रहने को. मतलब ऐसा लगता था कि सब अच्छे लोग हैं, बट क्या हो रहा है, ये गेम क्या कर रहा है.
Game cannot, like for the game, for the
Yeah.
sake of the game,
And
it's play pretend.
I forgot that, it's a game. It's a show. Actually, it's a show. पर्सनालिटी शो है, बट मैं पर्सनालिटी दिखा नहीं पाया. मुझे ऐसा फील होता है कि मेरा जो पर्सनालिटी है, इट डिडंट वेंट आउट बिकॉज आई कुडंट जेल विद पीपल, आई विल से.
In the midst of all of this, like you mentioned that, there were times where you had to just bite on a cloth and subside those feelings within you. That's very draining. I mean, and to be able to do that without having any of your loved ones, without having to speak to any of the people that you are close to, that's really going to take a mental toll. I mean, how are you dealing with all of that?
Oh my god, dude. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep. I'll be very honest. I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep with the fact that I was the reason. And just because I was hurt with somebody, like obviously my gang leader, because of a miscommunication or whatever it is, I took a guy out. He also came with dreams,
Absolutely.
and he was so nice even while going. And I'm not that kind of person. On a serious note, I'm not the kind of person कि मैं उसको करके मैं बोलूँ कि मैंने खेल लिया, मैं सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट को उड़ा दिया. मैं अगर चाहता तो मैं ये बोल सकता था कि मैंने सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट को उड़ा दिया, शायद से मेरा गैंग में हो, धोखे पे धोखा सीजन है, मैं बोल सकता धोखे पे धोखा सीजन है, मैंने ये कर दिया वो कर दिया, मैं तो बन गया भाई धोखे पे धोखा वाला सीजन का ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ये सब. बट आई एम नॉट दैट, यू नो. आई कुडंट बी like I was not able to digest the fact that I was the reason
That he left.
that he left.
But what influenced your decision to write his name in the first place to begin with?
So I wanted my gang leader to listen to me because I am also part of the gang. वहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं जो ये आशवी थी हमारी गैंग की, उन्होंने दिमाग खराब कर दिया था मैम का थोड़ा सा बहुत कुछ वो बोल के. एंड आई वांटेड टू रिफ्यूज द सिचुएशन. दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज रेजिंग माय हैंड्स अगेन एंड अगेन कि मैम ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. वी वांटेड कि रोहित भी जाए. हमें ऐसा फील हो रहा था वहाँ पे कि जो जो एंटरटेनर्स है who are extrovert, who have skills. I know everybody in the gang have their own strength, but here जो जिसका level of strength ज़्यादा है, it's not about chances, जिसका level of strength ज़्यादा है इस field में, उस बंदों को उनको जाना चाहिए इस चीज़ में. तो वो मुझे बोलने नहीं दिया गया. एंड एक चीज़ बोल दिया वो ना शायद से उन्होंने कुछ और सेंस में बोला होगा, गुस्से में थोड़ा बोल दिया होगा वो ना. इट हिट मी लाइक अ रॉक, यू नो. लाइक व्हेन यू हैव नोबडी, like everybody's against you, nobody knows you actually, you don't have
Yeah.
friends. And जो तुम जिसके साथ खेलने के लिए आए थे उसने भी like बोल दे कि you know you don't talk now, I have heard enough of it, let's see तुम लोगों ने क्या किया होगा. I was like यार she's also not believing in me. Somewhere I got that thing कि okay, I am not in her priority anymore now. I can't get dependent on her to save me.
So you basically took things in your own hand and
Yeah, and still I was not sure. I was not sure that, you know, I will do that. When I had to literally switch, I was like, okay, now I'll play game. I'll play. If my gang will not save me, I'll have to save myself. I have to save my priorities who are there for me. And there was a conversation that happened, and वहाँ पे बहुत clearly हुआ ये कि तू देख ले अपने सर्वाइवल का, बिकॉज आज कुछ भी हो सकता है. एंड शी सेड दैट आई डोंट वांट यू टू गो. एंड आई सेड लाइक व्हाट विल आई गेट इन रिटर्न. लाइक 2 vote outs, no votes for you or your priority. I was like done. Still I was not ready. मैं बोला मैं देखता हूँ. तो जब गैंग डिस्कशन हो रहा था आई थॉट लेट एवरीबडी स्पीक. आई फॉरगॉट वन थिंग दैट people are watching. I thought of it as a game, you know. I
Yeah.
thought of it कि सबका conversation जब तक खत्म नहीं होता मैं कैसे बोल लूँ. So I didn't overlap. But I forgot that if I have a like you know I'm factually speaking about something, वो होगा, मतलब वही दिखेगा टीवी. तो मुझे लगा सब बात कर लेंगे. मैं उस टाइम तक चली गई थी मैम. एंड जो हरताज के साथ हुआ, जो प्रिंस सर आके उसको बोल के गए, आई वॉज इन द सेम सिचुएशन.
so partly your decision was influenced.
Yeah, influenced, yeah, you can say halfly influenced when I was on the podium and when Ransar gave us a harsh reality कि gang leaders next year भी आएंगे. रोडी ये तुम्हारा सीजन है, कब तक तुम लोग गैंग लीडर खेलोगे. दूसरा चीज कि तुम लोग अगर आए हो ये सीजन में इतना मेहनत करके और तुम लोग ऐसे ही चले रहोगे तो कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. एंड दैट टाइम नो आई रिमेंबर्ड एवरीथिंग व्हाट आई वेंट थ्रू इन माय लाइफ फॉर दिस थिंग. एंड आई एम हियर एंड आई विल स्टे. एंड आई बिकेम अ लिटिल बिट सेल्फिश ओवर देयर. आई वाज लाइक आई वांट टू स्टे. व्हाई शुडंट आई?
Yeah, absolutely.
Why shouldn't I?
Because you
I
also
want to stay. And that anger, frustration, hurt, it all came up to that part where I said what I said. You know, for Viyama, what I said. I meant it at that time. But at the same time, when she came and she asked me that, did you do it? I confessed because I couldn't lie, man. I couldn't lie to her. The moment she was there, now I was like, bro, this is the person who selected you, bro. You know, this is the person who selected you. She
Yeah,
had,
she's the one that initially showed faith in you.
yeah, I can't. I was like, bro, I can't. I just want to say it out loud. Whatever the consequences, I just want to say it out loud. But the only problem was कि I knew she was furious, but I was coming to that कि why gave that decision, because the problem is, I'll tell you, we get very less time when we are showing the votes. So we have to be very fast and very proper with what we mean. We
Yeah.
can't say that okay, so these were the votes जो बट रहे थे वहाँ पे, उसके बाद ये हुआ, उसके बाद मैंने ये किया, उसके बाद मुझे ऐसा फील हुआ उनसे वहाँ से, बाद में मैंने फिर जाके ऐसा नहीं बोल
So basically one liner. Sum it up in
Yeah.
one line when you're giving
So I
the-
wanted to tell her everything from the beginning. I said I got manipulated. When I said I got manipulated, it was not just the contestants. I got manipulated by myself also, my survival instinct also. You know, I am here to survive. My brain was playing with me that you are here for survival. You know, if you think about people so much, you'll end up losing like you did in last shows.
Wow. So somewhere, are you proud of the fact that you did what you did on the show?
Proud? That time when I did it, I was not proud. I'll be very honest. I was not proud because if that would have been a personality, I would have been proud. Yeah, played my game, I took revenge and stuff. That was not revenge.
But why wouldn't you be proud of yourself? Because somewhere you put yourself prior to everybody else. I mean, that's why you were on the show to begin with.
Okay.
Right.
I didn't see that in that way. If you yeah, actually. Yes.
That's
Dude,
exactly what
yeah.
I'm saying. Because as a person, you're not going to win the show with the n number of people that are there. You went as an individual, your own personality.
And I'll very honestly tell you, okay, I didn't share it in any podcast. I had a fear, okay. I had a fear that जो मैंने पहले शोज में किए मुझे ऐसा ही बोला गया है पहले शोज में भी, तू बहुत अच्छा है, तू ना दूसरों के बारे में सोचता है बहुत ज़्यादा, उसकी वजह से तू निकलता है शो से, कि तू खुद को पीछे रख के, खुद को प्रायोरिटी में पीछे रख के दूसरों को प्रायोरिटी देता है, और उनको बचाते बचाते और उनको आगे लेके जाते जाते तू कहीं ना कहीं खो जाता है उस चीज़ में. वो सब चीजें ना दिमाग में आने लगी उस टाइम में.
Yeah.
I can't, bro. I this time if I want to learn from my mistake, I'll not do the same mistake in this show. You know, and now as you said, like if I see that way, yeah, dude, I played by the theme. Roadies
Yeah,
double cross, it
absolutely.
was. धोखे पे धोखा, it was. If I see it as a game perspective, जो मेरे लिए था वो, मेरा वो पर्सनालिटी शायद से नहीं आया, बिकॉज मैं ये नहीं सोच के गया था कि मैं कैसे दिख जाऊंगा स्क्रीन में, मेरा पर्सनालिटी क्या होगा, बिकॉज when you are playing a game of chess, you are quiet.
Yeah.
But is being quiet your personality? Is being poker face your personality? No. You are in the game, that's why you are keeping your calm, you are very quiet.
Absolutely.
When you're playing a game, some people are there to be seen. Some people are there to just show how the game is played. And I feel I didn't play for the camera. I didn't like see it as a show. मैं ऐसा नहीं था कि कैमरा बुलाओ मुझे, फालतू के टॉपिक्स नहीं, मेरे लिए वो झगड़े का शो था ही नहीं रोडीज. फॉर मी रोडीज वॉज अ गेम ऑफ सर्वाइवल एंड इट वॉज धोखे पे धोखा सीजन. अगर वो धोखे पे धोखा सीजन नहीं होकर रियल हीरो सीजन होता, शायद से मैं उधर बैक ऑफ करता. It was the season of real heroes. But when you are, people will tell me, अरे कितना वो है ये, मतलब इतना इडियोटिक है ये कि एक धोखे पे, सीजन का नाम है धोखे पे धोखा, और ये अपने आप को पीछे रख के किसी और को आगे कर रहा है.
That completely makes sense. So, which is why I came to that point that why wouldn't you be proud
Yeah,
of yourself
like,
for
thanks,
doing
dude.
right by yourself?
Actually, thanks, dude. Thanks. I never like I still like think like that is not me, but that is not me. Obviously, it's a game. I can't be myself. Always,
Absolutely.
right?
Sorry, this has been like a very spectacular journey for you from childhood to, all the reality shows that you've done, your dance, and now Roadies too. You've given me insight about your personality and everything that Roadies was for you. But tell me something good that came off Roadies that you take back with you and that you will remember for the rest of your life.
My connection with Riya ma'am. She said like, Charlie, you are like a soda bottle, a very delicious soda, which has been popped, but but it's like it's not opened yet.
The cork is stuck.
Yeah, it's
Crazy.
not opened yet. You have to just and
That's
you
a
are
very beautiful compliment.
and I was so like awe in that moment with her. I forgot everything, whatever happened in the journey and everything. It was just a game. It felt like the game is over.
Yeah.
I am again in the same page with her. So it's all love for her, and she's a spectacular gang leader. And in a season of Double Cross, where like we also contestants we had to play with the theme. I feel like it's not her fault. Whatever happened, it happened because of the theme, because of the players, because of the conflicts. And anyways, I know maybe not me, but she will take somebody from our gang to finals for sure.
That's awesome. That's a very, very positive thing that you're taking, your connection with her.
Yeah.
Because even on screen, when I watched your PI, even on the journey, like, every relationship has their ups and downs, highs and lows.
Exactly my point.
But that love, that connect stayed, and I think that love, that connect is going to stay on and off camera as well.
Yeah.
Which brings me to the part where I want to talk to you about animation.
Okay.
It's a form of dance that you do. I mean, what is animation to you? Define animation in your own personal way.
For me, animation is just creating unreal things, creating something which doesn't look real, creating from anything. Animation is basically a creating something within your body. For me, my perspective, कि animation is like taking a technique of a dancing and implementing on yourself and creating something new. And when the other person, I feel it's a very intelligent dance form or intellectual dance form. You have to be very shant, very preserved, and very concentrated to understand this form. So even if I'm moving this hand, and I can go like slow and just reverse it.
Wow.
So all these things.
And what inspires this flow?
I don't know. When you said this, no, I just remember all the things which I used to do. I used to like sit on the bench and I do this. So you can go to slow to fast also in wave, and you will not even understand that this thing is a technique. This is a technique.
Wow.
So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. This is actually the simple technique of wave. And how you practice this? If I'm sitting like this, I just like when you said this, no, मेरा वो दिमाग में आ गया था जब मैं पेन से बस like वो भी कर रहा था, लिख भी रहा था ना in college to do this.
Oh.
It
Just
became a
moving,
habit.
yeah.
It became a habit.
वैसे ड्रिल करते करते you find very unique moves and you basically get out of the crowd, you create your own thing, and that is animation for me, creating basically.
So what inspires animation for you?
That I didn't had any dance teachers, that I had to make my own way to represent myself, and I feel that was the best part, that I didn't have any dance teachers.
Now, as a dancer, how difficult is it to stay true to your form or the dance that you're doing and keeping up with the trends? Because social media is a thing these days.
It's very deep. Trust me, as a dancer, it's very hard to be true to your. हर टाइम मन करता है कि मैं भी ये कर लेता हूँ, ये तो easy भी है, यही कर लेता हूँ. But are you ready to be saturated?
That's a question for every artist.
Right? Are you ready to be saturated in the trends? Are you ready to be saturated by the so-called trendsetters?
Are you ready to be called cringe?
Exactly my point. I was not like
Cringe.
said it.
You don't do cringe.
Yeah. So even if a song is trending, show your art, how complicated you can be. Maybe 100 people will watch you, but those 100 people will be the most intellectual people you'll ever get in your channel.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely. It's that point where you become relevant.
Yeah, relevant. Yeah, correct word. You become relevant for eternity.
Absolutely.
Oppenheimer is relevant for eternity.
It is.
Albert Einstein is relevant for eternity. So that is not a goal, I'll say. Be true to yourself, that will happen.
Yeah, just flow by yourself and whatever comes off it, make the best of it.
Exactly.
Now, when you're alone and you're in your zone, how often is it that when you're alone, you're in your flow and you're doing animation, or you just what inspires it? Does it require some kind of somebody to tell you? Do you have a specific time set out for it, or it just happens naturally?
It feels like when I want to conversate, when there is nobody, I conversate with the music.
Wow. So is animation to you storytelling or just raw expression?
Both.
Wonderful.
Both, I can create something. I have done this. So मैं कोई इमोशनल गाने को ना फनी कर सकता हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा. कोई भी ऐसे ट्रैक्स को जो बहुत दुखदायक है मैं उसको ना तुम्हारे लिए फनी कर सकता हूँ, या कोई ट्रैक्स जो बहुत ज़्यादा हैप्पी है उसको मैं एक स्टोरी, आई कैन create a story out of a needle who is trying to like no, I'll sorry, I can be the thread who is trying to go through the needle so that they become one, but they are not being able to. It's very simple that you are trying to, but it's not. But उस चीज का भी इमोशनल एस्पेक्ट पकड़ के we can create a story out of it, so you can make anything deep.
And that itself is raw because
Yeah,
even though it's a story, it's a raw story.
yeah, it's so simple, but yet when you think of it that way, it's so amazing,
Yeah, I mean it's mesmerizing to some point because there are endless possibilities of what you
Exactly,
can do.
endless possibilities when you are free, when you will not see it as a work, but see it as something which you can't live without. That's where I feel that thing will pay you off.
Wow.
know?
That's something really nice to go by. Now, you've been talking the talk for all this while. Now, how about you walk the walk? Let me play some music and show us some animation.
Yeah, I will. I'll the limit space, but what I'll do is I can just sit here and demonstrate you something which you will like. I'll make you visualize some things.
Why not? Let's go for it.
Yeah, like play any song.
Can we have some music, please?
Oh, bro, I know this music. Fuck, I'll show you, dude. I'll show you.
Let's go.
A mí me dice que tiene cintura. Los dejo fríos y me las apura. Si no sé ni no me lo pongo. Si no sales no tengo el combo. No sé cómo. Era por la nave la que ando. Y tus debitos dando los pies. Como en la calle estoy matando. Luis y llamando mi nombre. Y te quedo muy bloqueado. Soy un diamante alumbrando como un faro. Silencio. Si no es de dinero, ¿qué carajo estás hablando? Tengo las envidiosas llorando y a sus maridos llamando. A mis flows no le llegan, no, a mis tacos no me llegan. Y por eso que me cenan Gucci, Prada, Fendi, ya. Cambia tu vocablo que no entendí, ya. Me dicen la princesa de La Habana. Las nenas tienen tumba cuando yo les paso de Gucci, Prada, ya. Cambia tu vocablo que no entendí, ya. Me dicen la princesa de La Habana. Tienen tumba.
Oh my god, that's sick.
Digo mentira, hago lo que quiero y eso te llena de envidia. Yo vivo mi vida, si se va conmigo va a hacer lo que yo le diga y sigo con mi muñeca fría. Rompo corazones porque rompo corazones porque rompo. Es lo que se hace y si no lo hace tengo un gatito que me complace. Muñeca fría, no porque la mía está fría. Es lo que se hace y si no lo hace tengo un gatito que me complace. Tengo un gatito que me complace. No puedo hacer, tengo un gatito que me complace. Tengo un gatito, no puedo hacer. Tengo un gatito que me complace. Tengo un gatito que me complace.
That was fucking amazing, man. That was really, really amazing. It's like that story, narration, creation.
Yeah, it's
You know,
like-
that flow. It's interactive.
Yeah, I didn't even do dancing, honestly. I wanted to just show you like how music can be treated. Like at the end, if you see, this was freestyle. Just because I saw the cup, I just ended here, and I was like, okay, let's mix it.
A bit of you.
and drink it. So that is how animation works. You are just creating on spot.
It was absolutely splendid. I'm still trying to get over and still trying to get how you are able to do the things you.
This
Even
is-
if I tried, I couldn't.
This is just like I'm confined to the space. So I use the space at the maximum limit because the camera is also confined to the space. So that is how you have to be very intelligently move with the camera also. And it's nothing, trust me on this. There are such good animators in India right now, like so good poppers right now. Underground is growing in that level right now. I feel soon India will be the fastest growing hip hop community in the scene.
I
Very soon.
totally agree because hip hop is booming, and
Yeah,
we have
everywhere.
kids and amazing talent come out from streets, and
Hmm.
it's so good. Not just only in dance, but also in rap. Like
Exactly.
hip hop is booming.
Exactly. So I'm very glad finally recognition, finally the underground people are making it, you know. बोलते हैं ना कि scene से सीधा scene तक. So it's
Yeah.
happening finally.
Absolutely, yeah. The progress has been like very steady.
Hmm.
It's a little slow. India now being the most populated country, I can only imagine the kind of talent there is in India. And imagine the talent that's not even showcased yet.
Exactly. I mean, huge shout out to the people who are organizing these events. Huge shout out to the people who are actually putting their contribution to this and living up to the name hip hop.
Expectations of hip hop
Yeah,
and
I
everything
feel
that
like
comes
that.
with it.
You know, it's a very big responsibility when you are like a part of this culture. You are representing this culture. I actually took an initiative in Pune that I used to keep a lot of jams at my place. So the culture should always be revived every time.
Absolutely.
You know, shouldn't be there shouldn't be a pause. There shouldn't be a stagnant game, you know. There should always be something new coming again and again and again. And after that thing, a lot of people have been curating events at their places, like small battles. Hip hop, एक बूंद से भी hip hop बन सकता है, एक सागर से भी hip hop बन सकता है. A big event will throw the same impact where 500 people are coming for a category and same thing can be thrown in a small jam जहाँ पे 5 लोग उतर रहे हैं. Same impact can be thrown on that jam also. So don't think that anything is small or big. If you are capable, do it. Don't think.
Absolutely. What a message to go by. Like,
Hmm.
don't limit your
Yeah.
creativity.
Exactly.
Just flow, just grow, and things will fall into place. Wow. Now, I know we've been having a very, very long conversation, but I have just one more question for you. What is underground to you?
For me, underground hip hop for me is my true self.
Wow.
You know, is my true self of my art. Like, as a human, you can't say that this is my personality. Your personality changes according to the situation you're put into.
Absolutely.
And when I say underground hip hop is my true self, is why? Because I know myself when I'm there. You know, I don't have to. I'm true to my thing which I've been doing since so many years. I am being pure to that thing.
You don't need validation.
Exactly. So I feel that is underground hip hop for me.
Wow, that is amazing. It's been an absolute pleasure speaking to you, Charlie.
Same.
I couldn't have had a better conversation. I
Same.
was really looking forward to this. And thank you for being on The Unspoken.
Thank you for listening to the Unspoken.
It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. That's
Same.
what the podcast is about.
Exactly.
And moreover, it's about the conversation that felt so natural. Thank you for being yourself. Thank you for wearing the hat. That's a sign of respect. So I really
Obviously.
appreciate that.
Oh,
Thank you.
we just once
Yeah.
to the Unspokens.
The unspoken that's only going to be spoken over here on The Unspoken. Now,
Cheers.
with that being said, I want you to leave everybody with a message.
Okay.
Anything that you want your viewers, your family, the love for everybody, all your fans, your family outside. What's the message you want to leave them with?
Very short and simple. If you understand, you understand. Stop thinking, start living.
Stop thinking and start living. Cheers.